Yeah, last class we discussed about the electrical system, so that we completed. I given last problem, you prove that some of the equation. I hope you prove that. So I'll ask in the I will create assignment link in the Moodle, so you can upload there. So let us start today's session that is called analogous system. So at the end of the session, you can able to write the equivalent electric circuit for a given mechanical system. So first of all, what we will understand what is analogous system. See, for example, you design one control system, okay? You designed and you want to make a prototype. Is it right? Before making any product, final product, you want to make it, you have to make it prototype. Okay. So prototype model itself for the mechanical system, it's the cost also huge and also the elements also higher. Okay. So for that, instead of creating mechanical system, we can design a electrical system equivalent to the mechanical system that we call as analogous system. Okay, it is maybe vice versa. So we can design a equivalent electrical circuit or from electrical circuit to mechanical system. So vice versa that we call as analogous system. So the aim is from this chapter, from this topic, we'll come to know for the given mechanical system. At the end of the session, you are able to write the equivalent electrical circuit. That is our objective of this topic. Note down this table, all of you, copy to your notebook. Without this, you're not able to write the equation. Kindly copy this table, all of you. Copy all of you. I'll give time. So there is a mechanical system. See, in the electrical system, there are two circuit you have to draw. One is force voltage and force current circuit. Okay. So the given equivalent equation, differential equation, if the input is in the mechanical system f of t or t of t, torque or force, the input will be in force voltage, it will be voltage V of t, in the force current I of t, current I of t. Similarly, if it is inertia force, mass moment inertia force, it may be md square x by dt square or dt square theta by dt square. Equivalent force voltage and force current will be LDI by dt and CdV by dt. So likewise, proportional, okay, in the force voltage and force current for the given mechanical. So M is proportional to L and C, B is proportional to R and resistor, K is proportional to the force voltage to capacitor, and the force current it will be inductor. Okay, if you know this table, any problem you can write the equation. From that equation you can draw the equivalent electrical circuit. Okay, I'll give 2 minutes of time. Just note down this table, all of you. Okay, without this, it is like a ready reference. Okay, kindly note down this table, all of you. Once it is done, just let me know. We'll move forward for the numericals. I hope everyone is copying this table. It should be in your notebook. Sibin Varghese, kindly mute it. Is it done? Have you noted? Say yes or no in the chat box. Okay, fine. Let us move for the numericals. Guys, please kindly concentrate here. Okay. If you understand, it's very easy. No need to remember thing. Okay. Otherwise, it's very difficult. Yeah, take this question. Draw analogous force voltage and force current circuit for given mechanical system shown in figure. Kindly take this mechanical circuit. Note down the problem also. Draw analogous force voltage and force current circuit for mechanical system shown in figure. Copy this mechanical thing, mass and damper is there. I hope everyone is noted. Can you write differential equation? Can you write differential equation for the mechanical system? Explain, no? It is very simple. I hope already you have written also. Can you tell me what is the differential equation? Who may ask? Albin Saji, are you there? Albin, can you unmute Albin? Albin, are you there? Anant Krishna, are you there? Can you unmute Anant Krishna? I'll mark absent. Those one I'm calling, if you not respond, I'll mark absent you guys. Okay, please note it down. Vinayak, are you there? Vinayak, are you there? Ashwat Krishna, are you there? Ashwat Krishna. Nilima, can you unmute? Nilima. Nilima, are you there? Yeah, can you unmute Nilima? Can you unmute your microphone?
Yes, sir.
Nilima, can you tell me the differential equation for this given mechanical system? What is the input here? What is the input in this given mechanical system?
Excuse me, sir. Hello.
What is the input is given?
Wait, sir. Hello.
So what are the elements are there? Can you tell me here?
So the elements are there's springs, there's mass, there's a damper.
Okay, and that's all, no?
Yeah.
What are the other things are given here? What is f of t here?
The force.
Force is the input, okay?
Okay.
X is the displacement. Displacement is the output. Is it right? Can you write differential equation for this? Can you tell me? Do you know? Say yes or no.
No, sir.
Okay, you can mute. See, listen here. Those who not understand how to write differential equation, at least now you should know. Otherwise, you think that you control. You please note it down. Control engine will become fail if you don't know how to write differential equation for this system. The entire thing, this subject is depend upon this differential equation. See here. This is the mechanical system. No, I will take this. I will take whiteboard. I will take whiteboard. Better. second. See, listen here. This is the given mechanical system. I have to stop sharing. One second. Just a minute. I'm copying the table and diagram to the whiteboard, so then easily you can understand. Yeah. I hope everyone able to see this whiteboard. Can you chart in the chat box? Are you able to see the whiteboard? Okay, fine. So this is the mechanical system, given mechanical system. No, how will you write the differential equation? Here, you know free body diagram. Is it right, sir? Has explained free body diagram. See, free body diagram, you have to always write it for the mass m. Here, what is mass? Mass will be m1. Okay, you write it mass m1. Then, what is the force acting? Force acting in the downward direction. So look at external force, whatever the given, first you apply. Okay, that will be f of t. Then what are the remaining elements connected to the mass? One is spring, another will be damper, no? So you know what is differential equation, what is the differential equation for K? In the chart class? What is the differential equation for the K? It is there in table also. I think you can able to see the table. What is the differential equation for the K? Spring K? In the chart? Can't you type it in the chat box? No, ma'am. I'm talking about mechanical differential equation. So what is the spring differential equation? See, up. Yeah, very good. Kx. So f of t is the input and k is the opposite direction. No, f of t is acting downward direction. So look at for every problem, the external force acting in one the other, either it may be upward or downward direction. Remaining force will be opposite to that. Now force is acting in downward direction and spring force will be always the opposite to the applied force. What is the differential equation? Kx. Another will be damper. So damping force, that is also upward because force is given is downward, opposite. What is the differential equation for the damper? Dx by dt or dx dot. Is it right? So this is the differential equation. Now, sorry, free body diagram. Now, right, let us try differential equation for mass m1. So what are the things are there? See, f of t is acting opposite direction. That means f of t equal to. So remaining other direction force equal to the f of t. One is mass force. What is the mass force? You can look at this table, differential equation for the mass. So here m1 into d square x by dt square. X is the displacement. What is the differential equation for? Look at your diagram, free body diagram. d dx by dt. What is the spring force differential equation? Kx. So this is our right differential equation for the given mechanical system. Now I taken only one mass is there. I taken for the one mass. What are the elements connected to the mass? I mentioned in the free body diagram. Just equate all the equations. Summation of all the Newton's law. Apply the Newton's law. Equate f of t is equal to mass moment of inertia, damping force, and spring force. Okay, did you understand now? Are you clear, all of you? Say yes or no. Okay, fine. Now Now, what is our aim? We are no need to find out here transfer function. We have to draw the force voltage and force current circuit. Is it right? Let us draw first force voltage circuit. Now, will you draw force voltage circuit? Force voltage, let us draw. Now, can you write the equivalent equation to the force voltage? Look at the table. Here, f of t equal to, if I am talking about force voltage Fp. Okay, look at the table. That's why I told you to reference, steady reference for your to write the differential equation. Now, f of t equal to v of t. Very good. F of t equal to v of t. M is equal to M means here. M means what here? L. M1 means here L1. D I by dx means I. D by dt equal to I. Plus B is equal to B dx by dt means R into I. Is it right? Plus kx means 1 by C integral of I dt. Yeah. This is how you have to write the differential equation. Now, this is the given mechanical system differential equation here written. Then equivalent force voltage equation, write it here by referring the table. For this equation, you have to draw the circuit. How will you draw the circuit? Look at here. When we talk about force voltage, current will be there in loop. When we talk about force voltage, current will be there in the loop. Here, look at the equation, entire equation, whatever written here. Current here, I know. Some problem, it will be different current, I1 current, I2 current. If it is I1 and I2 current means two loops. Here only I is alone. That means only one loop. How will you represent the loop? I'm writing here. Just look at here. I'm drawing circuit. Current will be represented in the loop. Okay. This is the I current one loop. Okay. Only I is there. What is the input here? Come to the first term. I'm referring the equation. I'm drawing the circuit. What is the input here? V of t. How will you mention the input? So V of t is the input. V of t is the input. I'm giving the input here. Then next term L1 di by dt means L1 is connected to the I loop. L1, what is the symbol for inductor? Is it right? This is the L means inductor, no? That means this is the L1. Then R is next term R is connected to the I loop. So R also connected. So elements will be connected in the loop series. R is connected here. Then come to C. 1 by C into integral of I dt. C is connected to the I loop. So C, what is the symbol for C? This will be the symbol for the C. So this is the force voltage circuit. Are you clear? Here the force voltage current will be flowing in the loop and all the elements will be connected in the series. That is, one is L1, R and C. Are you clear about circuit? Yes or no? Others, are you clear? Yeah, fine. Anybody has any doubt, you can say, I can ready to explain once again. Next, we go for force voltage is done. Now we have to draw force current. Force current, you have to make it that we represent Fi. Force current, nothing but Fi. Look at here. Now can you write equivalent force current equation by referring the mechanical differential equation? Force current, third last column. F of t equal to what? Similarly, what have we done in the yeah, very good. I of t. Is it right? Then M is equal to C1 di by M1 means C1 di by dt or dV by dt plus B is equal to V by R plus K is equal to 1 by L integral of V dt. Got it? This is how I have to write the equivalent force current equation. Okay. From this equation, we have to draw a circuit. Here, see current, here output current, no, here voltage. Look at here, V is there. Input is current, output is voltage will be across the elements. V is, so here V represents nodes, current represent loops. Okay, V represents nodes. Here, how many V are there? For some few problem, it will be there V1, V2 like that, V3. So depends upon nodes. Here only one V is there, so only one node will come. So I'll draw V node, only one node. Okay, corresponding bottom node also I'll write. This is only one node. So come to the equation. Here, see, I have written here two. Here written mention the node. Only one V is there, only one node. Okay. What is the input here? Input will be I of t. Input will be I of t. Is it right? Input I'm writing for the node I'm connecting. Input will be I of t. Okay. Then come to the first element. This is done. Then come to the first. C1 is connected to the dV by dt. No. C1 is connected to the V node. So V node, this is no C node C1. What is the symbol for capacitor? C. This is for C1. Okay. Then next term V by R. R is connected to the V node. So R is connected to the V node. That R symbol resistor and L inductor. 1 by L integral of V dt. No. L is connected to the V node. So this will be L. Look at compare here. In the force voltage, all the elements connected in series. In the force current, all the elements connected to be parallel. This is how you have to draw the circuit. Are it clear? Here, force voltage, all the elements will be in the series. In the force current, all the elements in the parallel. Are it clear, all of you? Did you understand this? Others kindly respond. Are you clear with this problem? You understood now how to draw circuit? If you do, if I take the second two equations problem, then you will easily understand everything. Thank you then. I hope everyone copy this. You do it in your notebook. Let us move for the next problem. Next problem, 1 second. Take this second question. All of you copy this diagram. This is the second question. Draw force voltage and force current circuit for the given mechanical system. Copy this second question, all of you. This will be M1, P1, K1, M2, V2, K2. Okay. Similarly, X1, this is X2, and input will be F of t. Kindly note down this diagram. I hope everyone copied. Can you help me, someone, to write a free body diagram? Siddharth, are you there? Siddharth, can you unmute Siddharth? Siddharth, are you there? Five double zero, Siddharth. Nothing is there. Nothing wrong, man. I'm not telling anything. Just to unmute. I will help you if you don't know. First of all, you're not there in the class. Somewhere you went. You will become absent. Sibin, yes, Varghese. Can you unmute Sibin?
Yes, sir.
499. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So how many masses are there here?
There are two masses, sir, M1 and M2.
Yeah. Can you help me to draw a p-body diagram? So
So,
M1, no? Yeah.
sir, first M1, and there's a force acting Ft downwards.
M1, Ft is acting downward. Yeah, very good. Then M1, what are the elements connected?
So K1
And B1.
and B1.
What is the differential equation for K1?
So the differential equation for K1, just a sec, sir.
K1 into, see here, I will explain. You and you be there, okay. K1 is connected to both mass M1 and M2. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
So M1 is having displacement x1, M2 is having x2. Okay, you have to
Okay, sir.
make it x1 minus x2 because
X2.
K1 is common. Is it right?
Okay, sir.
Similarly, can you tell me now for same way for B1?
So for B1, it would be x1 minus x2.
d by dt into x1 minus
X2.
x2. Is it right? Yeah, very good. Now can you write differential equation for the M2? Tell me.
So for
Downward.
M2, so what force would be acting downwards for M1?
M2 is all the forces. What are the elements
All the
connected?
force.
Look at the diagram. M2, which are the elements connected?
So M1, K1, and B1, everything, sir.
K1, B1, K2, B2. Is it right? So downward is
Yes, sir.
K1 is connected, no? So
Yes,
force
sir.
is
K1
acting,
and
force is acting downward. All told, no? All other force will be opposite direction. Can you tell me
Okay, sir.
differential equation for K1?
So for K1,
Into
x1 minus x2.
x1 minus x2 because we consider for mass m1. That's why we subtracted x from the
Okay,
x1.
sir. So x2,
X2 minus x1.
x1.
Plus we consider mass m2. M2 is having x2 displacement. Okay. Now, can you tell me similarly for B1? B1?
So for B1, it will be B1 d by dt x2 minus x1.
Very good. Okay, are you clear now? Then for K2 is there. What is the differential equation for K2 now?
So K2 would be K2x2.
Very good. Only K2 x2 because K2 is connected to only M2. Is it right?
Yes,
That's
sir.
why K2 into x2. So what about B2?
So B2 would be B2 d by dt x2.
Very good. Thank you so much, Sibin. dx2 by dt. Okay. Now easy no to write the differential equation. Let us try differential equation for mass m1. So look at the mass m1 free body diagram. What is the input force is there here?
So input force is F of t
Equal to
equal to K1
first
x1
m.
minus
Don't
x.
forget m, mass moment of inertia. What is the differential
Okay, sir.
equation for mass? Look at the table.
So,
Inertial
uh,
force.
so inertial force m d2x by dx square.
Here m1 is there no m d square
X by
x. What displacement is there here? D square x1 by dt square no.
yes, sir, x1 by
M
dt square. Yes, sir.
displacement plus d x1 minus x2
x2
dt plus
dt.
k1 x1
K1
minus
x1 minus x2.
yeah. Similarly for differential equation for mass m2. 0 equal to no for the second free body diagram there is no force.
Yes, sir.
0 equal to what is the m2? Can you tell me differential equation for mass m2?
So for mass m2 d square by dt square x.
x2.
x2, yes, sir.
Next, KB, B1, D, x2 minus x1 by
x1
dt
dt.
plus B2, dx2 by dt
dt.
plus K1, x2 minus x1 plus K2, x2. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now let us write the force voltage. Referring the table, write the force voltage equation, convert equivalent to two equations are there. No, one is f of t, another will be 0 equal to. So for that, by referring the table, can you make the force voltage equations, everyone? Yeah, you can mute Sibin.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So refer table equate to the force voltage and force current. So I'll stop it here. Everyone copy this mechanical differential equation. Equivalent equation, you write it by referring the table. This is your task for today. Tomorrow I'll explain how to draw circuit. I hope everyone easy for you easy to write the equation by referring the table. Okay, I'll stop it here. Complete the equation, both force voltage and force current. I will tell you how to draw circuit. Okay, is it fine, all of you? We will write it now by referring the table equivalent equations, force voltage and force current. Okay, fine. I'll stop it here. Let us meet on Monday.